Hello students, today we are going to discuss some general properties of liquids. Before we start to discuss these general properties of liquids, we first discuss about the intermolecular force of attraction and intermolecular space of liquid molecules. As we know that intermolecular force is weaker than the solid in case of liquid, and similarly intermolecular space is more than the liquid. We can say that intermolecular force as well as intermolecular space are moderate in case of liquid, neither too strong nor too weak, not too they are near about at the mid. So first property is your liquids take place the shape of the container. Why this thing happen? Why they don't have their own shape? Because as we know that intermolecular force is weak, so liquids can move away each other up to some distance. That's why they are unable to without having the shape of your liquid, without having any actual shape, they take the shape of the container. Why this thing happen? Liquids take the shape of container because we know that molecules slip. Because molecules slip over each other and settles down. That's why liquids take the shape of the container. But why this thing happen? Because why they are able to slip over each other? Because weak force, that is intermolecular force, and more space, little bit more having space in between them. Liquid molecules can slip over each other and settles down. That's why they take the shape of the container. Why they don't have their own shape? Because molecules are not tightly packed. That's why they don't have their own shape. So I think you are able to understand this concept. Always remember that molecules cannot come closer to each other or move away more from each other. That's why they are in free state. They can move easily over each other, but they don't cross the boundary. They not move. They are within the portion. That's why they have a fixed volume. So next part is the volume. Or I forgot from shape I forgot one thing, so we can discuss in this part also. Fixed volume, not fixed shape. So here we are going to discuss one by one why they have fixed volume. Because molecules are having the they have force but moderate amount of force, so that they are unable to come closer to each other as well as they are unable to move away from each other. So they don't cross the boundary of limitations or boundary of their own. They are present within the boundary, but they are able to move here and there inside the boundary. That's why they have fixed volume. Why they don't have fixed shape? Because they are not tightly packed That's why they are unable to, as well as they have not tightly packed and weak force. Not tightly packed. Why? Because they have weak amount of force, so molecules are not fixed at a place. That's why they don't have fixed shape. Why they have fixed volume? Because they are free only to move here and there, but within the boundary. Means what? The area of the figure of area of the or you can say boundary of the molecules are fixed, but they can change their shape. That's why they have fixed volume. Liquids can compress because they have small amount of space in between them, so we can compress up to small extent. So to make them forcefully make molecules of liquid come closer or bring them closer. So they can compress a little bit. Now next one is your liquids can expand or contract. As we know, they have less amount of intermolecular force. So whenever we give heat energy to liquid, they are weak. The intermolecular forces are weak. So it will take less amount of energy to make them to break the intermolecular force. And once they are able to, we are able to break the bond. Molecules of liquid move here and there. Means they expand more. So by absorbing of heat and due to the less or weak force, they can expand. As well as, what about the contact? Whenever we decrease the temperature due to the more amount of space, they come closer to each other, so they contract more and more as compared to the solid. So this is due to the more space, sorry. Due to the more space. And apart from this, we also know that when we decrease temperature, molecules become less energetic, so they come closer to each other more easily as compared to the solid, because in solid they are able to move away from each other, so why they come closer. But in case of liquid, they move away from each other easily, so that's why whenever we decrease temperature, they come closer to each other easily. That's why they expand and contracts more than the solid. Liquids not mix with each other easily, means one liquid to mix two liquids together, it is difficult task if one is having high density and one is having low density. Then in that case, high density liquid is unable to dissolve itself to the low density liquid, or low density liquid is unable to dissolve the high density liquid. So in this case, liquids not mix with each other easily. So the liquids who mix each other, the pair is known as your miscible liquids, like water and milk or alcohol, water and alcohol. Clear? Then if they do not mix, they are known as your immiscible liquid. Like your milk not with oil, or milk, not milk, water with not with oil, the same. So this is the properties of liquid. In next class we will discuss about general properties of gases. That's all for today. Thank you.